Stand up.
Okay. Up. Now what?
No. Pink one.
Now we're gonna lay on the pink one.
Next time.
Next time. Okay, what's next? Up.
Down.
Reach. Reach. Reach.
Just the purple one. And then the purple one.
You wanna go to the blue one?
And then the
Hey, Emma? Emma, do you remember the push-ups Daddy taught you today? Do you remember how to do the push-ups?
Can you do push-ups? Downward dog. Oh. There. Good. Good job, sweetie.
It's kind of an odd push-up, but
That's pretty good.
pretty good, Emma. Nice job, honey. All right. Wave goodbye.
Yay! Emma's doing push-ups. You're doing a good job, Emma.
Mommy push-ups.
Oh, sweetie, mommy doesn't want
Okay, Emma, wave goodbye to the camera. Okay.